In the Islamic faith tradition, neither euthanasia nor assisted suicide are supported or encouraged. However, since that matter has already been decided by the Supreme Court, our concerns regarding the legalization of physician-assisted dying center around the preservation and the sanctity of life, as well as the vulnerability of patients. Physicians and faith-based care facilities should not be compelled, in our view, to perform this procedure if their conscience, faith, and personal values do not allow for the taking.
Thank you, Mr. Hashmi, for drawing attention to what I believe is a foundational concept that all of us as committee members need to have, and that is the basic intrinsic dignity of all human beings, regardless of deformity or disability. We are blessed to have many Canadian doctors of many faiths, and I'm sure many in your community are medical physicians. Would you care to comment on what degree of conscience protection you would like to see in the legislation, given the fact that we have the Carter decision? We would rather it wasn't there, but it's there. What kind of conscience protections would you like to see this committee include in the recommendations to our government?
Thank you. We would say that there definitely should be protection for individual physicians who want to avoid any type of participation in this type of procedure, and would also extend that to healthcare facilities which are faith-based, to ensure that again it's a balance of rights, right? So those who want to stay away at whichever degree they feel is important for them and their faith and their conscience, that they have the ability to do so.
I had one question to begin for Imam Hashmi, and I thank you for outlining for us what you would see as a process under Carter. But one question I had for you is an issue that we've seen come up is the issue of effective referrals. So if you saw a doctor who might conscientiously object because of faith issues or any others, we had a suggestion from the BC Civil Liberties Association that one option would be for the doctor to not refer to someone else, but to report to someone within the hospital setting, I have refused or I've objected to a treatment. That's all that they do, and then someone would step in. Does that seem like a system that would be agreeable to you?
I think so. I mean, again, we have to respect the rights of the doctors or the healthcare providers with regards to their beliefs and their conscience. But at the same time, we have to respect the Carter decision as well and the individual rights of the patients. So in that case, yes, if a physician went to the supervisor or whomever within the organization and told them that this is the request that has come to me, now you take care of it, I think that should be fine. And also in the proposed end-of-life team that we were talking about, if a request was made, then this team could go and present options. And I think for many doctors, at least from the Muslim faith, that perhaps would not present a problem because they are talking about the options that are available, and they're not just talking about one option, which is physician-assisted death. So I think I don't really foresee any issues with regards to
just a clarification in the conscious issue. You said that physicians of faith and institutions of faith should not have to be involved. Are you saying participate and not having to refer?
No, they would refer, but we're talking about participation in the practice.
Thank you very much.